everyone, if your AI avatar looks fake and unnatural, you're probably making one of these two critical mistakes that I see everywhere. And trust me, once you fix these, your avatars will look so much more professional and engaging. Let's dive right in. So here's the thing, I've been working with AI avatars for years now, and I keep seeing the same mistakes over and over again. People spend all this time creating beautiful avatars, but then they end up looking completely fake and robotic. And it's not because of the technology, it's because of these two specific things that most people don't even think about. Mistake number one is eye contact. And I'm not just talking about looking at the camera, I'm talking about perfect eye contact. Your avatar needs to be looking directly into the lens with both pupils perfectly centered and focused on the exact same point. This is psychology, people. When you're generating your avatar image, you have to be super specific in your prompt. You need to say direct eye contact with camera, pupils perfectly centered, both eyes focused on exact same point. Because if even one eye is slightly off, your viewers will subconsciously feel like something is wrong. And here's where it gets tricky. If you're using an image to video generator, you need to make sure your avatar stays locked on the camera. The moment those eyes start wandering, even slightly, that's when things start looking unnatural. Your viewers might not be able to put their finger on it, but they'll feel it. Now, mistake number two is lip sync, and this one is huge right now. Everyone's talking about how amazing VO3 is at generating talking avatars. And yes, the technology is incredible, but here's the problem. It's still choppy sometimes. Sometimes VO3 doesn't say the exact wording you want. Sometimes the voice is completely off from what you expected. Sometimes it has weird clips in front of your audio or it says things backwards. Until these kinks get worked out, it's actually better to have your avatar not talking at all. Instead, generate your avatar with a neutral mouth position, slightly open, perfect for lip sync processing. Then use dedicated lip sync software to match your 11 Labs voiceover. This gives you way more control and much better results. And here's the critical part. If you try to do lip sync over an avatar that's already talking, it will not work. The lip sync software gets confused trying to match new audio to existing mouth movements. You need that clean, neutral starting point. Bonus tip for you. I actually have a complete tutorial on creating talking avatars that covers all of this in detail. I'll link that in the description below so you can dive deeper into the technical side. And if you want to master AI from start to finish with no gatekeeping, join my Kash Academy for just $5 a month. We cover everything: avatar creation, voice synthesis, video generation, and so much more. Link is in the description. Remember, it's these small details that separate amateur-looking content from professional-grade avatars. Fix your eye contact, perfect your lip sync workflow, and watch your avatars come to life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.